In this guide, we'll explore the most common causes of the iPhone camera black screen problem and walk you through several proven solutions to help you get your iPhone camera working normally again. Part 1. Why is my camera showing up as a black screen? Common reasons why an iPhone camera shows a black screen include software glitches, a frozen camera app, other apps using the camera, overheating, iOS update issues, low storage or system overload, and hardware damage caused by drops or water exposure. Part 2. How to fix iPhone camera black screen. After identifying the possible causes, you can start troubleshooting the iPhone camera black screen issue. Tip 1. Switch between the front and rear cameras. Step 1. Launch the camera app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the camera switcher icon, the two curved arrows in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Switch from the rear camera to the front-facing FaceTime camera. Step 4. Check whether the front camera displays an image. Then tap the icon again to switch back to the rear camera. Tip 2. Restart the camera app. Step 1. Open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and pausing or double-click the home button on iPhones with a home button. Step 2. Find the camera app in the list of recently used apps. Step 3. Swipe up on the camera app preview to close it completely. Step 4. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the camera app and check if the black screen issue is fixed. Tip 3. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8 and later, press volume up, press volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 7 Plus, hold the volume down and side buttons together until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds or earlier, hold the home and power buttons together until the Apple logo appears. After restarting your device, open the camera app and check if the black screen disappears. Tip 4. Turn off the VoiceOver feature. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Step 3. Select VoiceOver from the top of the menu. Step 4. Turn off the switch next to VoiceOver. Tip 5. Reset all settings on your iPhone. Step 1. Open the Settings app and select General. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Tap Reset at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Choose Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm the reset. Tip 6. Update iOS. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to General and tap Software Update. Step 3. Wait for your iPhone to check for available updates. Step 4. If a new update is available, tap Update Now and enter your passcode to start the installation. Tip 7. Use iOS System Recovery. If common fixes don't solve an iPhone camera black screen, an iOS system repair tool can fix deeper system issues like crashes, freezes, failed updates, and camera problems while keeping your data safe. Step 1. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your computer, then launch the program and connect your iPhone via a USB cable. Step 2. Select iOS System Recovery from the main interface and click Start to begin fixing the iPhone camera black screen issue. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode to repair iOS system problems without deleting your data, then click Confirm. Step 4. Check your iPhone information, download the matching firmware package if required, and click Repair to start the recovery process. Step 5. Wait until the repair is complete. Your iPhone will restart automatically, and you can open the camera app to check whether the black screen issue has been resolved. Tip 8. Factory reset your iPhone. If none of the above methods can fix the iPhone camera black screen issue, you can try restoring your iPhone to factory settings. Please note that this process will erase all data on your device, so it is recommended to back up your iPhone beforehand. Step 1. Back up your iPhone using iCloud or a computer to protect your important data before resetting. Step 2. Open the Settings app and go to General. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Erase All Content and Settings. Step 4. Tap Continue. Enter your iPhone passcode and Apple account password, then follow the on-screen instructions to erase your device. Tip 9. Contact Apple support. If the camera screen remains black after a factory reset or physical damage, the issue is likely hardware related. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for inspection.